Hi YouTube, and hi to those in the wonderful world of the Reborn Doll community. This is Jewel Montgomery coming to you from Nola Reborn Dolls Nursery. And today is Theme Thursday, and I have exactly 19 minutes, I believe, or so to get this recorded. About a half an hour or so, I guess. So, I've already dressed my little girl. She is unnamed at the time. And my little boy, Kayvon, is going to accompany her with the yellow theme. We did not have any fire trucks. So we are going to use the alternative to participate on today was yellow. So I am going to move the camera now away from me. And we are going to adjust it so that you can see the babies. I know, I hate this part. Still in a bad spot. How I do that? You can see him a little. Now I tried to figure all of this out before I started recording. But as you can see, I was very uneventful in trying to figure this out. Because you still can't see the baby. Okay, let's see if I turn Kayvon's head. Can you see Kayvon now? It looks like he might be coming in. Oh, there he is. Hey, Mr. Kayvon. I'm going to do a little talking while I change Kayvon. Let's see. I watched 1 through 6 of Jackie. Oh, they don't want to show that. Jackie Ortez ethnic painting. She did a 1 through 6 series on ethnic painting, and oh my God, did I learn so much. As a new creator of Reborn Dolls, I was missing quite a bit of the steps from the entire process. Now this doll, Kayvon, is not weighted and not really polyfilled just yet because I am still working on him, but I wanted to piece him together to see how well I'm doing. And I've featured him on other videos also. So I don't have a name for my baby girl, and she is actually the same kit as my little boy, as Kayvon, because that was going to be my niece's baby doll, and she's grown and become quite mature in the last year and a half or so. So when I hang out with her now, I can almost get the vibe that we're past the Reborn Doll stage. I made her one when she was younger, and she really liked it. And she wasn't ready for it, so she combed all the hair out, and she put lipstick on the baby girl, and she tried to give her a birthmark, all kind of stuff. So that doll fell apart. And I had told her mother that I'm just learning and I'm practicing. If she does anything to the doll, let me know, and maybe it's something that can be corrected. But by the time they thought about letting me have the doll for corrections, she was already a mess. So I've learned why my dolls are so shiny. I'm not doing enough of the sealing process. I'm not doing enough of that. I'm wimping out on the creasing. I need to do a little bit more creasing. I figured out how they get, well, from the video I watched, I've now seen how they get the nice color on the lip with the darker looking outline around the lip. I pretty much knew about the hands. Don't paint the hands. Don't paint the bottom of the feet. And I also noted when Jackie was painting yesterday, some of the face remains brighter than the rest of the body, which means it doesn't get as much paint. But when she does her final layers and her blushing, oh my God, look at that. That is so cute on his feet, because you know these dolls are wearing newborn clothes and it's so hard to find shoes to fit them. I love the little cloth little look like nighty booties to put on them. I love them so much. And a lot of times I pick up these from the thrift store. I have white, I have pink, I have green, I have blue. Every time I see them and they're there, I pick them up. Look, they just fit so well. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to put his scratch mittens on because he is a newborn and they do tend to scratch themselves. Most people are pretty shy about trimming their nails when they're so little because we don't want to hurt them. He's got like big hands because these things are fitting really well. Okay, and let's put the other one on. So I will be attempting to come up with some names for Kayvon's twin sister now that I'm going to take over that kit from my niece. And this is, I believe it's Paisley, a Bountiful Baby kit by the name of Paisley. And I really like this kit. I like the way the kit turned out as a boy, which is Kayvon, and as a girl, which we'll be naming real soon. His sister is going to wear a nice colored bow in her head, and so Kayvon is going to put on, if he wants to, this nice yellow hat. There we go. So Kayvon will push over now so that his unnamed sister can come in and have a seat with us. This is exactly the same kit. She has a little more polyfill in her, so she looks quite bigger than him. And I think she has beads also already in her. So put the two arms together. And that there is my unknown baby. And when I have the twins, I like at least the first letter to match. So let's see if you guys could get a better view of her. Are you getting her there? Are you getting to see her? Can you see? Come on. See there? Oh, I'm so very not into the screen. Oh, Cameron, you're not getting it right, Mommy. You're not getting this picture right, Mommy. Because there I am. There is Paisley. And there is Kayvon. The Paisley kit, that's why I'm still calling her Paisley. Now he has on the yellow and white stripe with its matching coordinating hand mitts, his white shoes, and his yellow hat. And she has so many aunties and Uncle Paws out there. So she decided to wear My Auntie Loves Me. And there's yellow in the love, and there's yellow in the singlet flower on top of her onesie. She has on gray hand mitts to match the gray in the words my and me. You can see that there. And let's turn her a little bit. And this was a 3-piece set of onesies. Yeah, you can see that from there. A white shoe with yellow running across with the white and green flower in the middle. This was actually the shoe to the coordinating pieces of this onesie set. I believe it was 3 onesies. And she is, let's turn her bow this way since she's sitting next to Kayvon. She is sporting her big yellow flower hairpiece. So what more could we ask for? We could ask to be earlier and on time for next theme Thursday. Okay guys, Kayvon and Paisley are going to wrap it up. Kayvon spelled Kavon. If anyone wants to leave some suggestive names for the twins, that means that her name will start with a K. I'm kind of playing around with Kayvon and Karen. I like that there. And I also like Kayvon and Kendall. But, so I'm playing around with those two. If you guys have any other suggestions, just please drop a note and let me know. Anybody that's out there that I made friends with from the 2018 Utah Layton Rose Doll Show, shout out to you guys. I love being a part of the community, and I would love for you to reach out and hit me up. So this channel is Nola Reborn Dolls Nursery. You can also check me out on Instagram. I'm there under Nola Reborn Dolls. All right, everybody, we're going to call it a wrap, and I'll see you soon. Bye.